Welcome to Rome Tips. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this review are available in the description below. This review reflects my personal experience using Importify for dropshipping. Importify is a robust dropshipping tool designed to streamline product importing and automate order fulfillment, making it an ideal solution for entrepreneurs using platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, and others. Its adaptability and broad supplier network make it an excellent choice for drop shippers seeking to source products efficiently from diverse marketplaces. A standout feature of Importify is its seamless integration with numerous suppliers. The platform enables you to import products from a wide array of sources, including giants like AliExpress, Amazon, Etsy, Walmart, and beyond. This extensive access to suppliers empowers you to discover unique, trending, and high-profit margin products across various niches, providing a competitive advantage. Importify's convenient browser extension transforms product importing into a simple one-click process, saving you valuable time and effort. Importify also shines in its automated order fulfillment capabilities. When a customer places an order on your store, the platform simplifies the purchasing process by pre-populating order details with your chosen supplier's information. This automation minimizes manual errors and streamlines your operations, proving invaluable for drop shippers handling numerous orders daily. Another significant benefit of Importify is the ability to customize product listings. The tool allows you to modify product titles, descriptions, and images before importing them to your store. This customization is essential for branding and maintaining a consistent, professional online storefront. For those prioritizing SEO and product differentiation, Importify's editing features are indispensable. Integration with Shopify and WooCommerce is seamless, guaranteeing a smooth user experience. The intuitive dashboard is easy to navigate, even for beginners. However, premium features, like multi-supplier support and advanced automation, require a paid subscription, which new entrepreneurs should consider. While Importify is a powerful tool, it's worth noting that it doesn't offer inventory synchronization with all suppliers. Consequently, manual stock level monitoring might be necessary for certain sources. Despite this minor limitation, the advantages of using Importify significantly outweigh this drawback. In conclusion, Importify is a highly effective tool for dropshipping entrepreneurs looking to expedite product imports and automate order fulfillment across multiple suppliers. Its user-friendly interface, extensive supplier network, and customization options make it a valuable asset for building a scalable e-commerce business. Click the links in the description to explore Importify and determine if it aligns with your drop-shipping objectives. This review aims to help you decide if Importify is the right platform for your business needs.